Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's first question. The Parliament of India is also known as dash. Options are Lok Sabha, Sansad, Vidhan Sabha, Senate. Right option is B, Sansad. Next question. The ancient city of Dholavira is located in which state? Options are Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Gujarat. Right option is D, Gujarat. Next question. Who was the last Governor General of British India? Options are Lord Hastings, Lord Auckland, Lord Wellesley, Lord Mountbatten. Right option is D, Lord Mountbatten. Next question. Which of the following crop is also known as golden fiber? Options are jute, sugarcane, wheat, rice. Right option is A, jute. Next question. Jama Masjid in Delhi was built by dash. Options are Shah Jahan, Alauddin Khilji, Akbar, Sikandar Lodi. Right option is A, Shah Jahan. Next question. Jizya is a famous folk dance of which of the following states? Options are Haryana, Bihar, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. Right option is B, Bihar. Next question. Thomas Cup is related to which of the following sports? Options are football, cricket, tennis, badminton. Right option is D, badminton. Next question. The lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is called its dash. Options are melting point, explosion point, ignition temperature, combustion temperature. Right option is C, ignition temperature. Next question. The reproduction process in which only a single parent is involved is called dash. Options are in vitro fertilization, external fertilization, sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction. Right option is D, asexual reproduction. Next question. Which of the following is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms? Options are soil, sun, water, air. Right option is B, sun. Next question. Who was the first ruler of the Sayyid dynasty? Options are Khizr Khan, Alauddin Alam Shah, Muhammad Shah, Mubarak Khan. Right option is A, Khizr Khan. Next question. The Yeosang festival of Manipur is celebrated for dash days. Options are 2, 5, 7, 9. Right option is B, 5. Next question. Thorny trees and bushes are found in which part of India? Options are eastern, southern, northwestern, northeastern. Right option is C, northwestern. Next question. Which device is used for measuring temperature? Options are manometer, ammeter, thermometer, barometer. Right option is C, thermometer. Next question. The third battle of Panipat fought in dash. Options are 1556, 1651, 1526, 1761. Right option is D, 1761. Thank you.